going on, guys? JD at JD's Custom Buggies. Alright, we're actually going to do some painting outside today. We're just doing whatever's left. So what we'll do is I'm going to let him work his magic, and then I'm going to come out here with you guys and we'll look together when he's done painting and kind of see the parts. At this point, I don't know what's going on, so I'm going to let the Mad Professor do his thing. So we'll all get surprised together, which would be kind of cool. Alright, so let's see what we got. So far, just a bunch of hanging parts. We got our carbide hood over there, and the buggy's out here, and it's all taped off, so something's going down. So we'll just let him do his thing. We're not even going to watch him spray on this video. So we'll see what happens. This should be fun. This is the part I like. Every once in a while, you know, we'll have a definitive, this needs to be painted this way. But on this one, he's got carte blanche according to the owner of the buggy, so we're going to let him have some carte blanche. We're going to give him his privacy. See ya. Alright, guys. I'll let him have his time. And let's see what happened here. Well, that's pretty cool. Is the suspense killing you? I kind of like it. So the one color, actually, yeah, the one color, the owner, you know, the father and the two kids picked, and then we started painting parts, and it's not a complete mystery because there's a couple of pictures on Facebook of and probably in a couple of the YouTube videos, the CVT cover. So it's kind of like that aqua color. So I've been kind of hitting on it on Facebook, and like I said, there's a couple of shots of stuff that would probably give it off, but they picked the one color, and then we decided that we were going to offset it with black, and then they added a second color in. So let me turn the camera around and let you take a look at it and see what you think. So that's pretty sharp. That's pretty much what we talked about. So I mean, it's not completely different. I like it. I like it because it's different than anything that's going to be on the track with this. And, I wasn't crazy about the color by itself, but I like it up against other colors like the black and the gray. I like it. I'm digging it. So let's look at our other parts here. We got our arms, our dog bones, steering column. So yeah, there's gonna be this bluish teal color popping out all over the place. This aqua, whatever it is. Oh man, can't wait to put this together and see what it looks like. It's crunch time. Let's see, today's the 10th, I believe, and 20th is on Friday. That's when we're headed to the track, so I've got 10 days to get whatever I've got to get done. So we will be slapping this thing together as quick as I can. And I want to thank you for joining. Please give us a like, and by all means subscribe. Stick around for the party if you kind of stumbled on. We're going to be doing some giveaways real soon. So, alright, I got other things to work on. I'm going to get back to work. Thanks a lot, guys. JD out.